If you're going to be cooking fish, chicken, whatever, vegetables, highly recommend the Hexclad. Hexclad, Hexclad, and Hexclad. The best pans in the world. Get them right there on Amazon. And the fish you probably have to buy from your local market. It's ready. I think it's almost too hot.
Not too hot.
Whoa, don't watch out! You're gonna get. Honey, that's very dangerous. Use the. Oh my God. Smells good. I think you can get one more in.
I don't need to.
Fish? Maybe not. But this is the one we're gonna focus on because it's a Hexclad. Just a couple moments later, nice and brown, the way it's supposed to be. Looking good. I gotta say, woo, that's a delicious.
They're all off.
Wow, they cook fast, don't they? A lot faster than the zucchini, I can tell you that much.
They cook fast, don't they?
Woo. He's a master chef.
Did you have to flip them again?
Yeah.
Dad, I thought I had whatchamacallit, but I didn't. Sorry. What did I think I had, but I didn't?
I don't know.
What's it called?
We only have red stripe,
Okay.
Rubella. All right, that looks good. That came out nice.
They did. They went
Came out
perfect.
really nice.
Where the fuck is Quinn?
Because of Hexclad. That's why. Without Hexclad, you could never get fish looking that good. That
couple
is
different
what it
things.
looks like when you're eating
A
it.
couple different things.
Yeah.
All right.
What is